Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to perform one-handed thumb fans. Begin in straddle grip in your non-dominant hand. Reach over with your dominant hand and break off half the deck with your thumb. Support this new packet with the dominant hand's fingers on top of the packet. Rotate the packet around the middle and ring fingers 180 degrees and at the same time extend the non-dominant hand's fingers. After this, release the dominant hand's thumb and extend the fingers. From this point, raise the non-dominant hand whilst moving it towards the dominant hand to flip the packet over into the other hand. Now grip both packets in straddle grip to square up the cards. Everything to this point should be done in one smooth motion. Next, begin the fanning motion. Do this by first adjusting the grip to mechanics grip by moving the pinky, then push the packet down using the index finger to a point roughly where the top of the packet aligns to the base of the index finger when it is extended. Now curl the index finger in under the packet like so, with the side of the finger touching the underside of the packet, and at the same time place the thumb on top of the packet facing diagonally to the top corner furthest from the thumb. Then release the packet with your fingers so the cards are clipped just between the index finger and thumb. From here, extend the index finger, rotating the cards using the thumb as a pivot. Once you get to this point where the finger is fully extended, place the rest of the fingers onto the back of the cards. Put the middle finger at this corner and the rest of the cards below it. Now pull the index finger in. Do these fanning steps in one motion to create a smooth fan. To close the fan, reverse the motions. Extend the index finger and pull the other fingers in, and then finally curl the index finger in whilst making contact with the cards with the side of the index finger. Now extend the middle, ring and pinky finger, gripping the long edge of the packet. Then extend the index finger to the top short edge. To square up the cards, you can jolt the cards forward against the index finger. Finish by gripping the packet in straddle grip, squaring up the cards fully. You can perform the move in both hands following the same moves as before. Regrip the cards in straddle grip, move the packet down, curl the index finger under the packet, release the grip with the fingers, extend the index finger, grip with the other fingers, contract the index finger and extend with the other fingers. Then reverse the motions and square the packet up. Practice in both hands at once, so when you perform both fans at once, it appears consistent. Where you place your index finger and thumb affects the look of the fan. The closer the index finger is to the edge, the bigger the fan. The closer the index finger's top section is to the fingers, the smaller the internal fan radius is. The closer the thumb is to the fingers, the smaller the internal fan radius is.